Alright guys, welcome back to another video today on the Ghost Flash channel. As in this video, we're installing the big brake kit on the Genesis Scoop, so hopefully it fits and clears the wheels. And there's Austin. And Austin's gonna be the one to help me install these brakes, right? And coolant flush on his car because it has water. Dude, they're like literally two different colors. This is ridiculous. I think I might keep them red. The red actually looks good when it's clean. Alright guys, so I got all four calipers freshly cleaned, and boy, those things look freaking mint. I might go ahead and just clean the arms too while I'm right at it. You know, already ready to clean, so I might not finish cleaning everything else too as well.